Hey everyone! The Ayaneo Pocket Play feels like one of those rare devices that exists because a company genuinely loves gaming hardware, not because a focus group said it should. Over the past few months, Ayaneo has slowly teased the idea of a portable smartphone that blurs the line between phone and console. And now that more concrete details are out, the Pocket Play is shaping up to be a bold statement in the mobile gaming space. At first glance, it's clear this is not a conventional slab-style smartphone. The Pocket Play uses a side-sliding mechanism that instantly sets it apart from almost everything else on the market. When closed, it looks relatively clean and compact, but sliding it open reveals a fully integrated game controller underneath. The transition into gaming mode is seamless, and the design feels intentional rather than gimmicky, as if the device was built from the ground up to be played on, not just occasionally used for games. The front of the device is dominated by a 6.8-inch OLED display that prioritizes immersion. There's no notch or punch hole to distract your eyes, which is a small detail that makes a big difference when gaming or watching video. The resolution of 2400 by 1080 with a 20:9 aspect ratio keeps visuals sharp and modern, while the high refresh rate options of 120, 144, and even 165 Hz put it firmly in enthusiast territory. Whether you're scrolling through the interface or pushing high frame rates in demanding games, the display promises smoothness that rivals dedicated gaming handhelds and high-end smartphones alike. Under the hood, Ayaneo has gone all in on performance. The Pocket Play is powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 9300. This chipset pairs an octa-core CPU setup with ARM's Immortalis G720 GPU. It's clearly aimed at sustained performance rather than short benchmark bursts, and that philosophy continues with the inclusion of an active air cooling system. Unlike passively cooled phones that throttle under pressure, the Pocket Play is designed to stay consistent during long gaming sessions. Sound and tactile feedback haven't been treated as afterthoughts. The stereo twin speakers are tuned to enhance immersion, delivering clearer and more spatial audio for both games and media. Complementing this is an 0815 X-axis linear motor that offers 4 different vibration intensities. This allows for more nuanced haptic feedback, adding an extra layer of physical response that makes gameplay feel more connected and engaging. Despite its console-first design, the Pocket Play doesn't abandon its role as a full-fledged smartphone. Everyday usability is covered with a fingerprint scanner integrated into the power button, making unlocking quick and natural. The inclusion of a USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 port with DisplayPort 1.4 output opens the door to external displays, effectively letting the device double as a compact gaming or media hub. There's also a combined SIM and micro SD card slot, ensuring both connectivity and expandable storage, alongside full communication features you'd expect from a modern phone. What remains unknown is the one detail many are waiting for: pricing and availability. Ayaneo has yet to reveal when the Pocket Play will launch or how much it will cost, but the concept alone already positions it as something special. This isn't just another gaming phone with flashy RGB and shoulder triggers. It's a handheld console that happens to be a smartphone. If Ayaneo can deliver on its promises and price it competitively, the Pocket Play could carve out a unique niche for gamers who want a true console experience that fits in their pocket. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.